We're glad to introduce you a new bicycle Trek Dual Sport 3 2019 model year. The bike is equipped with the Alpha Gold aluminum frame, and reliable fork. A 9-speed high-quality transmission makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes set up on the bike such as hydraulic disc. Trek Dual Sport 3 2019 year is a good option for skiing on both country roads and city streets. This model is equipped with 28 inches wheels, having good tires. Bontrager LT2 Comp. This is a good option in the ratio of price quality, drive and pleasure.